In order to make percent conclusions, you first, guys, grab a little notebook or a piece of paper and a pen or pencil because we're going to do most of our work writing down, and then you guys will type it into your actual good sentence, okay? But the toughest part about percent conclusions is reading the little word problem and then going to grab the correct numbers that you need, okay? So this video is going to help you organize where to get the numbers for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, how to find those percent changes, and then how to turn them into complete sentences. I, of course, will be using my Subaru example. And of course, you guys will need to do this with your own car example. So my recommendation is have your car information opened up right now. And as I go through and pick out the numbers that I need, you guys should pause the video, go to your own car research, and grab the same numbers for your car, okay? So I put in green what we are going to be talking about in each of these little sentences of advice. So here's the first thing. How did your total interest paid change from the 36-month loan term to the 60-month loan term when we had good credit? And then number 2 is going to be the same question, but when you had poor credit, okay? So we're going to go look at the total interest paid when I went from 36 months to 60 months in my good credit. So I'm going to go to my auto loans. I'm going to be in my good credit here. There's my 36 loan, and I'm looking at this total interest paid. So when I had 36 months or 3 years to pay off my car with a good credit score, I owed an interest rate of $1,167. I'm going to jot that number down. 1,167. At this point, I would recommend pausing the video and go to your car's PowerPoint and go grab how much interest did you end up paying in your 36-month loan good credit score example. And we want to know, how did that interest change when I went from 3 years, 36 months to pay off the loan, all the way down here to 60 months instead, which is 5 years. And that's my total interest that I paid there. So that's the second number that I'm going to write down. And I like to draw the little arrow. So if you guys see in mine, I put how much interest was paid at 36, and I drew an arrow to how much I ended up paying at 60 months. Go ahead and pause this video, or go ahead and go grab now how much interest did you pay for 36 months in good credit and then 60 months with good credit. And then while we're here, go ahead and grab how much interest you paid with bad credit for 36 months. For me, that's 4,172. And go ahead and grab how much interest you paid in 60 months. For me, that is 6,865. So on your piece of paper, you guys should have the total interest paid and your good credit score for 36 months and the total interest paid for 60 months with good credit score, how much interest you paid with your poor credit in that 36-month loan term, and how much interest you paid in the 60 months. Go grab that data, and then we will find the percent change and turn it into a nice conclusion.